Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya. Asante sana for
next to a big stadium gives us all the advantages of any kind of event. Because again, we have multiple events.
Do Kenya proud, and also while you're at it, be good hosts to the other kids that are coming in. Yeah? Wow. Good luck to everybody.
Her Excellency, the First Lady, is on standby to unveil the medals, and this is the occasion which has brought us here. At a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there she pulls the ribbon, and she unveils, and there it goes. Tuwapigie makofi tena. Wonderful medals, made in Kenya. With a smiling face, Bwana CEO, you have made it. Tuwapigie makofi tafadhali. They are celebrating the medals made in Kenya with the Kenyan women, Maasai women. Her Excellency is acknowledging. Tumpigie makofi tafadhali. Utafunga hiyo kuonyesha kwamba umepokea zawadi kutoka Maasailand. Tumpigie makofi tena.